camera in 100 meters. Speed and red light camera in 400 meters.
When it comes to the art of stealth, no one has mastered it better than the Rove Stealth 4K Pro Dash Camera, your 24/7 secure car monitor. With an OmniVision CMOS sensor, this ultra-high-definition dashboard camera captures a 150-degree field of view with improved picture quality for evening driving. It also offers optional rear camera support to ensure there are no blind spots when it comes to safeguarding your car at all times. Any impact on your vehicle will activate the G sensor level, which in turn turns the camera on. The recorded shots are then locked and saved with a voice alert notifying you of the occurrence of a collision or vicious scratch. And with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity for instant video access through the Rove Stealth 4K app, thereby adding a fresh twist to responsibility and accountability. With 4K Ultra HD video resolution and added image distortion correction algorithm, you can always get perfectly clear shots. The H.265 encoding technology affords seamless loop recording, even as the camera supports up to a 512GB micro SD card. What's more, a personalized experience is further facilitated by the voice guidance feature. The time is now to transform your driving. Get the Rove Stealth 4K Pro Dash camera and make everything visible.
Introducing Blackvue DR900S-2CH, the first dual-channel dashcam featuring 4K Ultra HD. Blackvue redefines dashcam visual fidelity with 4 times the full HD resolution. Combined with high shutter speed and a wide angle of view, the 4K resolution makes a world of difference. Zoom in on crucial details like license plates and images stay sharp. The best part? Blackvue integrates the latest video compression technology, so even with 4 times the resolution, you can record for as long as with a regular full HD dashcam. And with 5 GHz Wi-Fi and optimized video substreams, video transfer to your phone is blazing fast, whether you connect to your dashcam directly or through the cloud. Blackvue DR900S-2CH, redefining dashcams. Find yours at www.blackvue.com.